It is my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku, and today's video I'm going to show you step by step on how to edit your photo from this to something like this, like a pro, using just your Android phone. A step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about photo editing with Android phone. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to edit your photos like a pro with just your Android phone. Okay, so let's begin. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your Play Store right here. So click on Play Store. Then on getting to your Play Store, what you need to do is to click on Search App. Then type in PickU. Then click on Search. So this is the app we are going to use right here. PickU Photo Editor and Cutout. This app here is a very great app that do everything automatically. You don't need to stress yourself when it comes to removing background, exchange background, and what have you. So you can simply see the number of people that have downloaded this app. Over 50 million people have been successfully download and use this app to edit their photo. So you can see the interface. There are a lot of things you can do with this particular photo editing apps on Android. Okay, so if you don't have the app installed on your phone already, so what you need to do is to click on install. But as you can see, I have already downloaded and installed the app on my phone. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on open right here. Then you will be taken in straight up into the app, just like what you see right here. Now you can pick on any template right here. So you can browse through the top right here. So you can check from frames. So this allows you to add frame to your photo. Then you can check on love if you want to create a love images with nice background with just your photo. Then next to it is universe. There are a lot of templates right here. So, but I'm going to use universe template right here. So I'm going to click on universe. Then I will choose this template right here. Now the next thing I need to do is to make sure I click on here to upload my picture. Then I will click on camera. So all the picture I have in my camera is going to be shown just like what you see right here. Okay, so I'm going to use this particular picture right here. So I'm going to use this picture. So I will click on it and processing. Boom, it's as simple as that. So I can simply increase the size of the image, so you can position it in a way you want it. Okay, then one more thing you can do is that you can add filters to the image. So I'm going to click on filter. Then you can add different filter just to make the image look more unique. Then you can control the color of the filter right here with this slider right here. So you can control the color of the filter. So once you're satisfied with the color of the filter, simply click on this check mark to accept. Okay, then you can also swipe and see more stuff you can do as far as this is concerned. You can also blend with the background, so nobody will know if you eventually change the background. So I'm going to click on blend with background right here. Then I can simply increase and work out. So you can blend screen, you can overlay, you can light, multiply, different effects. Okay, but I'm going to put it in normal. Then I will just make it blend a little bit like this. So once you're satisfied, then click on this check mark to accept. Then we can click on general adjustment right here. So general adjustments allow you to control the brightness and the like. So you can see the more you increase it, you see the results from the image. So I think 50 is okay. Then we can increase the sharpen of the image. We click on this sharpen right here. Then the sharpen is already in 50%. We can increase it so we have the image more sharpened. Okay, then we can add highlights. So right here, I'm going to select on highlight. So highlight, then I can make it like 15%. Okay, then we can add shadow. So I'm going to click on shadow right here. So we can increase the shadow radius to 5%. Then we can work on the image temperature. So I'm going to select on the temperature. So I'm going to increase the temperature to something like 60%. Okay, once you are okay, I think 60% is much for the temperature, so I'm going to take it down a little bit. So okay, I think 49 is cool. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this check mark here to accept the adjustment. Next thing we can do, we can swipe and see more stuff right here. We can flip the image if we want to flip, like flipping this way, or better still, if you want to go back to the previous direction, just click on here. It takes you back to your previous work. Okay, now one more thing we can do is that this logo right here, we can simply delete the watermark. So I'm going to select on it, then I will make sure I click on here. I'm going to click on here to remove the watermark. So it's as simple as that. Then we can still adjust the image if eventually we want to increase the image size. So I think I'm okay with that. So once you are done with everything, next thing you can do, you can click on this eye icon for you to see how the image is going to look like. So take a look at it. So this is the image right here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on save. Okay, so we can exit from the app, then we head over to our phone files. So I'm going to click on files, and I'm going to click on images. Then we have the photo right here. So let's check it out. In a very high resolution, you can increase it. You see, you still maintain the high resolution with perfect background remove. So this is how to edit your photos like a pro using just your Android phone. A step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.